Weekly horoscope, 31st August till 6th of September 2020. For this coming week, for all of you, all the predictions based on moon sign, all the predictions based on your Indian Vedic astrology, but you can take this particular weekly horoscope according to your moon sign as well as your ascendant sign, as well as your rising sign. But this weekly forecast have no relevance whatsoever with sun sign prediction, purely based on Indian Vedic astrology, purely based on moon sign, purely based on ascendant sign as well. So you can take either you pick your moon sign or your ascendant sign, follow it according to that. Aries this coming week for you. For Aries, transit of moon in 10th house. 29th August till 1st of September, the transit of moon in 10th house. When the moon transiting in 10th house, you will come across these kind of scenario situations, the circumstances. Transit of moon in 10th house. When the moon is transit 10th house, this particular time period will also bring along fulfillment of desire, achievement of goal, attainment of comfort, material gain, financial gain. If you're planning to start something new, this could be the time to do so. When the moon is transit 10th house, this particular time period, assure your success in all your undertaking. When the moon is transiting 10th house, this period would also be favorable for you, for your family, generally be very happy and content. It's a good time in your workplace. When the moon is transiting in 10th house, when the moon is transiting in 10th house, you may expect honor, promotion, appreciation at workplace. When the moon is transiting 10th house, this period will bring along position of authority, accomplishment of your objective at workplace. Your respect in society is going to rise during this phase of time. If you're female, be cautious and avoid any conception related to trouble. This period will see you going through a lot of health issues, male or female health issues. Look after your health and well-being. You could also get a taste of very finest food. The moon is transiting in 10th house. Transit of moon in 11th house for Aries, 1st September till 3rd of September. The moon transiting in 11th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of moon in 11th house. Transit of moon in 11th house. When the moon is transit in 11th house, this time period, generate financial gain. When the moon is transit in 11th house, this particular period help you to raise your income and gain riches. When the moon is transit in 11th house, if you are self-employed, you'll be able to see the reward of your hard work. When the moon is transit in 11th house, you may be able to see attain some stock of wealth to this phase of time. When the moon is transit 11th house, this particular bring you joy, happiness, good time with people, companions, friends, family reunion. Getting together with old friend is also likely to happen during this phase of time. The moon is transit in 11th house. Those who are married may expect a personal bliss. If you're eligible bachelor, you find a perfect match during this phase of time. This particular period also bring along opportunity for you to have a delicious food, enjoying comfort at home. Health will be fine. Mentally, you would also feel much more happy and relaxed during this particular time when the moon is transiting 11th house. Transit of moon for Aries in 12th house, 3rd September till 6th September. When the moon is transiting in 12th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of moon in 12th house. When the moon is transiting 12th house, when the moon is transiting 12th house signifies financial loss. When the moon is transit 12th house, this particular period sees your finances going through the rough phase. When the moon is transit 12th house, expenses can be sky high. Take care of your valuable items and assets. When the moon is transit 12th house, expenses can be sky high and you might be susceptible to losing something valuable, something very precious by cheating, deception, fraud or theft, or you lose something very precious. Yes. Avoid doing anything that will create the biggest financial burden for you, especially when the moon is transiting in the 12th house. At that time, be careful with your undertaking. You may not get the desired result of your investment. When the moon is transit 12th house, health needs attention. Take care of your eyesight. You're susceptible to infection, particularly during this phase of time. Mentally, you become restless and distressed. When the moon is transiting in 12th house, you're likely to develop letharginess, jealousy, nectar mentality. When the moon is transiting in 12th house, be careful with your decisions and choices while dealing with people. You become over impulsive in your behavior during this phase of time. Think before going forward with your plan. You may indulge in doing unjust deed, get carried away with your power or position of authority. When the moon is transit 12th house, on the home front, be careful with your relationship. You may develop unnecessary enmity with the people around you. You may have to take care of yourself, maintaining respect and honor in society, especially when the moon is in the 12th house. You have to be extra careful about your conduct, financial conduct, professional conduct, as well as personal conduct. At the same time, you should not allow third party to interfere in your business. When the moon is transiting 12th house, that time, please. Aries, in this coming week, you must sort out your sun, Mercury, moon, Jupiter. Aries, you must sort out these 4 planets, sun, Mercury, moon, Saturn. These 4 planets have to be sorted, sun, Mercury, moon, Saturn. For prevention of any kind of professional losses or financial losses, or issue with the flow of income or professional backing, or health, happiness, harmony. With the help of toss, precaution, chanting, you can sort out your planet for your best and achieve your best. If you want a complete weekly horoscope report, then kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com, and acquire your weekly horoscope report according to your moon sign or according to your ascendant sign, or according to your rising sign. So do visit weekly horoscope, do visit my website prakashastrologer.com and acquire your weekly horoscope report. Many thanks for watching this weekly horoscope. Would you like to know more of what this coming week going to bring for you regarding situations, circumstances, scenarios? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming week regarding your actions, regarding emotions and visions? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming week? Would you like to have some guidance regarding decision choices you're making in this week and how you can overcome and resolve most of your hassles and complication and awkward situation and waste of time in this coming week? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough moon sign weekly horoscope report on video as well as written. Do visit our website prakashastrologer.com, because I want you to win in every situation and be self-content and happy.